Inspector of Police Bragga
Good
Dash is
afternoon,
on
good
a crime
afternoon.
scene.
I am Inspector of Police Bragga Dash on the crime scene here in Bonestone community. Very peaceful community. Residents are saying things like this never happened before. Never. It is very strange what took place in the wee hours of the morning. One resident said she heard three boom, boom, boom peek through her windows, only to see a man without legs running away from a three-story building. One other eyewitness said while he was in his pit latrine, he saw a man without hands running with something in his hand. He couldn't tell from where he is. Residents are in disbelief. All occupants of the house was on the top floor. So it's very strange and unbelievable of what took place because they are wondering how a man without hands and a man without foot could reach on the top floor. It's very ironic, but you'll never know. You'll never know. Strange things happen. Very strange things happen. The police are here trying to ease the tension in the community because the residents are distraught. Okay? The police are still investigating. Continue to listen for subsequent newscasts. Yes, the police will give you any other information leading up to the case. And if there is any harass, they'll let you know. But in the meantime, between time, just continue to hold it together. Please to like, subscribe, and share